Oh my gosh, we're at the airport. Say hi.
Yo, what's up, y'all? We at SFO. We usually at Oakland, but we at Pete's, as you can see.
Period. I'm hungry, y'all. We just got through TSA. Now we're just waiting.
We got like 45 minutes to like an hour till we board, so
We're tired, guys.
it's gonna be lit.
Got our coffee. What'd you get?
I got a white chocolate mocha.
Hot.
Hot.
No whip.
As always.
And he got a banana. Where's your banana? I got a tall black tie. Shout out to his sister. She put me on. We're going on the plane. We're on the plane. Say hi. We made it. We have made it.
We landed, motherfuckers.
Wow, it's so pretty. We have made it in the vehicle.
Okay, just cleaned everything, you know what I'm saying? Let's just start, let's start it first.
Okay, start it.
Nice. Pickup was very easy.
Thanks to him. Okay, now we're gonna go to the hotel and get some food.
Hell yeah.
I'm hungry now. I don't know what I want.
I got 30,000 blues on my car.
There's our hotel. If you guys are ever in the San Diego area, we highly recommend Hotel Z.
Hell yeah.
This is the only hotel we've stayed at whenever we go to SD. We are inside the hotel, walking to the room. So cute, guys. This hotel is everything.
I think we were in that one.
I think so too. Oh my gosh, little pineapple. This hotel is like
Don't tell me
pineapple.
we're in the same room.
Are we really? We are. We got the same room as last time. That's crazy. It's like meant to be. Period.
Oh, what's up?
What's up?
Welcome to my cribs. Oh, sorry. I was naked. Come on in, come on in, come on. Welcome to my cribs, you know what I'm saying? We have the standard king bedroom, you feel me? Right here we have the AC unit, you feel me?
Mm-hmm.
And then right here, you know what I'm saying, is where the magic happens.
Shut the fuck.
You feel me? You know what I'm saying? We have a rotating fucking TV!
Wow.
Rotating, you know what I'm saying? Hang the coats.
Period.
We have a motherfucking beverage station, coffee, tea, chargers, whatever the fuck you need, you know what I'm saying? I lied though, okay? I said that's where the magic happens. This is where the real magic don't happen.
Oh my gosh,
You know
babe.
what I'm saying?
Do a little outfit check here before you leave.
And take your little shits here, okay?
Okay.
And that's pretty much it. Thank you for joining our cribs, you know what I'm saying?
Stay tuned.
Voila. Gangs.
In the middle of unpacking.
Oh yeah. You wanna hang anything up in?
I'm okay for now. One thing about me and V is that we finna have snacks, okay? Let me give you guys a little haul. If you guys haven't tried these, you live under a rock. These are finna hit. I haven't tried these yet, and neither has V, but they're like sour chips and pink lemonade because V loves he loves anything lemonade. And I haven't tried these M&Ms, but I'm a fan for anything crunchy and anything cookie, so I had to pick it up to try it. There's like one bag of Doritos. I brought Cheetos, but I already ate it, and then we have some cookie options. Get ready with me, y'all.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh man, you can see it.
I'm gonna curl my hair.
Isn't she so beautiful?
Thanks.
So beautiful. Hi, vlog.
You're just chilling.
I'm trying to find a place to eat for us.
Oh, I see. I see.
But we're even looking for
Anything?
Uh,
I just finished getting ready. He has been in bed this whole time.
Bruh, all the guys know.
What?
The girls just gotta let us know like 15 to 10 minutes before we get, like, you're done. That's all the time we need.
Okay.
Take a shower and everything.
Where are we gonna eat?
We're gonna eat at Liberty Public Market. It's like a collection of like restaurants you can walk around and stuff like that.
I'm excited.
Uh-huh.
We're hungry, guys. The only thing we had today was coffee. He had a banana and I had chips, and it's 11:28, so I'm hungry.
And we've been out and about.
Yeah, we've
moving
been
around and
walking,
shit.
unpacking.
And then we finna get some breakfast, get some alcohol, get some weed, get some Dramamine.
Oh yeah, we need that
And
shit.
then
Oh
we'll-
my god.
And then we'll be cool.
Yes.
Yup.
Okay. We'll update you guys when we get food.
Yes, sir. You will see us at the market.
Liberty Public Market for food. Okay, let's go. At the bar. We always at the bar. Alright guys, we finally got some food. Oh, can't say.
Should have asked for an extra cord.
I like sharing with you. Cheers. Ooh, it's hot.
It is hot.
Got ube milk tea. It's so purple. I love it.
Hell yeah.
I like it. It's so good.
Oh, that is good.
Look at me. Oh, that's a big bite. Obviously, we're done eating.
What up, gang?
We scarfed that shit. Not gonna lie, we still have leftovers. We're gonna eat it later when we're drunk. But now we're on the way to
Bad Mo.
gonna get the real important stuff. What's up, vlog?
Hey.
We're back at the telly, and we're back with the haul. Okay? Okay, are you ready for this haul? I'll leave the right.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Oh my god!
So, first thing we got, not this whole thing, but just the Casamigos Repo.
Please.
And then we got some Prosecco, some champagne.
That champagne drunk don't play.
Yeah.
And then we got Chase.
Got some Chase.
Mountain Dew and Sprite.
Yes, ma'am. The infused pre-rolls. The infused pre-rolls with the free lighter that the chick split us.
Period. As
Shout out
she
to her.
should. I
Yeah.
know. So he won. That means we're gonna play my game that I got him. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Turn around. Da 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 da.
Ah!
Dizzy date.
Dizzy date for couples. Cheers.
Love you. Hi vlog. So we're playing this game, and low-key we're both tipsy. Like not drunk, but we're like
We only
buzzed.
had one meal to eat today.
Yeah.
We drank this much.
Within the span of like 30 minutes.
I'm like a cool 6 out of 10. This my princess.
We're back. vlog. Wow, that was cool, babe. Where are we at? We are at Gaikaku. Yukaku. It's a Japanese barbecue
It's not Korean. It looks
spot. Got the salad, kimchi, cheese corn, edamame, some vegetables. Yay. Thanks, chef.
What's up, vlog? So, we outside of our hotel right now.
Hi vlog. So we are back in the hotel room.
Dang,
Showered,
dang, dang,
cleaned,
dang, dang.
1 glass in of champagne, and what's it called? We went down. Well, first we walked around the hotel just to kind of see
If there was like any sneaky alleyways or something like
Yeah,
that.
but there wasn't, so we ended up chopping it up with the front desk. Her name was Hope. Girl, if you're watching this, shout out to you. We hella fuck with you. She's so cool, guys. She's so fucking nice. And we were just like, having like conversation about like what we do, what we're here for, like what to do while in San Diego, things to hit up that's near here. And she gave us free snacks, guys. Let me give you guys a little haul.
Hey, we was chopping it up though.
I know, we were so like, we were nice. We're nice people. Okay, this is proof that kindness changes everything for real. So she was like, do you guys want any snacks before we went up? And she gave us these are the best sun chip flavor, hands down. If you say any other flavor, you're lying. Garden salsa is where it's at. And she gave us 2 packs of Skittles, as if we don't have enough candy already. Hella candy. Got Skittles! And then she gave us apple juice. I love apple juice. So shout out to Hope. We appreciate you, girl. If you're ever in the Bay Area, hit me up, cause we got you. Well, for the rest of the night, we're just gonna chill,
Watch a movie.
finish our drinks, open gifts, and then eat snacks. And then tomorrow is my day that I have planned. So I'm excited for you guys to see what I have planned for this one.
Yeah.
Beasky, take it easy. Oh, you're so tall, babe. You can't even see yourself on the actual camera.
Oh shit. Get it back up.
Let's get some bagels. Walking to the bagel spot. Got some water for our dehydrated asses.
Very dehydrated. There's our room.
Where? Oh, there's our room, guys. It's our favorite bagel spot in San Diego.
Coffee going.
I know, we just ordered.
We got the coffee like this. Look at
So cute.
the nice. Look at that.
Secure the bag.
Nice.
Cheers.
I'm gonna write it mine in half and not yours.
Hi, babe. It's so nice out.
What up? We're on the water
We're always on the water.
from the city.
Wow. I got a mango margarita. He got a
The peach margarita.
peach margarita and it's long. I can send it if I wanted to, but let me taste myself. Round number 2. Pina colada and a beer. fucking tipsy. We got the shots here. Ah. That little booze cruise got me drunk. But it is currently
What else?
5:28. Our dinner reservation is at 7 at Sea Level Lounge. I'm like so excited to go there. It just looks like a vibe. I'm not sure how good the food is, but like the aesthetic is really nice. But I'm excited to fuck up these hot Cheetos. I got M&Ms at the hotel too, so I'm gonna fuck them shits up too.
Duh.
Hi vlog. It's currently 6:30 exactly, and we just got to the hotel like 6 minutes ago, so we had to outfit change super duper fast. I'm just wearing this brown dress. It's a backless. It's so cute. I wanted to wear my hair down, but I'm hot as fuck and I'm still sobering up, so I put her up. Got all my jewelry on, all my rings on. But I'm ready to eat. I like scarfed down some hot fries to help sober me up, and I also ate hella M&Ms, so I'm better now. It's backless. I love the back. Shows my tattoo.
We free balling today. I just got a cut anyway.
Cute.
Nice.
He's so handsome.
I feel so bald headed without my hat.
You still look good. Ooh, I love it. Got our food. We're gonna share, but baby got the fish and chips, and then I got the Sea Level burger. About to kill the shit.
Yeah.
You look so good. So cute. We got the pineapple upside down cake, but on the house they gave us a little strawberry shortcake.
That's for free.
So for free. We just woke up from a nap. It is 11:09. The night's still young, and we're finna hit up a bar. It's called Bang Bang. It looks so cute. He showed me the TikTok, so I'm really excited. I'm not gonna bring the camera because I don't want to hold too many things. So if I end up making a TikTok, insert here.
Things, now I got it like that. Suck my
Baby also prepared alcohol for when we come back. We have more champagne in that one, and the rest of our Casamigos in that one. I'm so excited for this bar. It's so cute. Okay, love you. See you when we get back, if we remember to vlog. Guys, we're fucking drunk. The vlog is on.
Up.
Oh my god, bitch. Okay, sorry if my dress is fucked up. So we literally got back to our hotel and we realized that we forgot V's hat because there was a no hat policy, so we had to go back and get it.
We got my hat.
We got the fucking hat.
We came back.
Oh shit.
The first time we were drunk, coming back, we were drunk. Second time, we're fucked up. I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucked up right
oh
now.
my god, not me.
We had one AMF, wait, one Long Island, and like 3 shots. I'm fucked up.
Yeah. Okay, let me write down the list. Yay, food. We're finally getting some food into our systems. We haven't eaten in hecka long. But we went to 2 bars, Bang Bang and Sidebar.
We gotta report. Let's go.
We go.
Commercial plane.
You make this so exciting.
Oh, we're gonna go on a helicopter.
I don't have to do anything.
I'm nervy. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna get in this?
Yes, it's kind of cool. So it's like upgrades are like
We're officially in
crazy.
the
We're in the helicopter. Oh, these seats are hot.
as you drink all of that, make sure you let me know.
Got it. We have high tolerance.
You can put your headsets on.
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness.
You guys can
Really?
Yeah.
Smells. I don't know. I still feel so funny to drive all these different vehicles.
Did we really just fly in a
But we
helicopter?
really just rode in a
We just
helicopter.
rode
That's
in a
fucking
helicopter,
crazy.
and they gave us chocolate
They
and
gave us a goodie
champagne
bag.
and more candy.
Ooh, I'm pretty tips.
I'm pretty tips. We got a little goodie bag. We're gonna give you guys a haul. I thought this tissue was just for decoration, but I just felt it and there's something in it. Oh, it's the corks.
Aw.
That's so cute. We can put it in our memory box. That's so cute. Some chocolate.
Chocolate. Oh.
Seas candy, truffles.
Let's
I
see
like
what-
truffles.
let's see
Can you
what
open it, please?
How am I gonna top that?
Eat the whole thing.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
We're going to dinner now.
Our second meal of the day, and it's what, almost 7?
Yeah. This restaurant is called The Shores. I heard the bar view, seating, everything like that is really nice.
It's nice.
What up, vlog?
Hi guys.
We at The Shores. We in a cave.
I know. I'm gonna show you guys.
Show them the front.
Wow, the view's beautiful, babe. I'm like coming down from the afternoon. Yeah, for sure. So I'm not gonna get a drink right now, but you got a beer.
I got a beer.
I'm okay right now. I don't want to go too hard. We have to be at the airport tomorrow, so. And we're gonna get the corn. I love corn. Because when the waiter walked past us while we were waiting, he had the corn, and I smelled it, and I was like,
Actually, smells hella good.
I was like, smells hella good. For food, guys, I got the lobster tacos, and he got, what'd you get, baby?
I got the Baja fish taco.
Oh yeah. And we killed our corn, our Mexican street corn. We forgot to vlog that because we were so hungry, but let's dig in.
What's the vlog? They put a candle for
I
us.
know it, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I faked it so you can do it now.
Why? Oh, I love you too. The ice cream scoops are so tiny. Oh,
Cheers.
yummers.